Hey, Z and Zeus here with another, well, I was gonna say quick, epic cat tree unboxing. This would be the largest one in the house. If all goes to plan, it should reach floor to ceiling for this little, well, not so little bugger to climb. So let's get right to it. And yes, of course I had to get one that came with greenery. Apparently it has though accessories. Whatever these are. I need 2 googly eyes and I have a Muppet. Oh, this is a lot of pieces. Step 1 is already my least favorite. It's the whole getting the poles inside, and this one can you at least hold up the pole? Like, that would be lovely. Now, ow. Do you want a new playhouse or not? Step 2, don't run off with any part. Step 3, listen, the longer it takes me to find pieces, the longer it takes for you to be able to play in your house. Step 4, step 6, I think? Oh wait, there was 5. Oh, step 5. Sorry. Now we're on to step 6. Every now and then with the fabric part, it makes it a little hard to get some of the screws in, but I gotta say, I am impressed how easy this is going to gather. How did you even, where are you? It's not real stable. Okay. You barely fit in that. Look at you did a muffin top hanging out. Look at you jiggle. Oops. Hi. Step 8. Ow. Child, oh my God. I literally have to adjust the camera higher. All right, last step, step 9, the adjustable part. I gotta say, even not attached, I am really impressed so far. Child, you're not making this any easier. This is not the appropriate way to be using it. Right, now we have the little what connects to the ceiling. These little socks / Muppets. That's so you can hide any of the bolt that's sticking out. I guess moment of truth. Okay. And with the final touches of the, not the greatest quality plant, it's literally any plant you could find, like craft store. You could put it in and it will work fine. I mean, we could change it for the season. But I gotta say, I'm impressed and fairly sturdy. And again, box, tree, cat in tree, not in box. So, win. What do you think? Job well done, sir. Thanks for your help. You do good work. And here we have our LiQWYD, I don't know how you say it. Tall cat tree. Does it meet your approval? Bless you. We're gonna say that was a yes.